Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen buttons on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you've been using the default flashlight and camera buttons forever and want to switch things up, this video is for you. Let's get straight to it. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18, the latest version of the operating system. If you haven't updated yet, just go to Settings, tap General, and check for updates under Software Update. Once you're all set, press and hold on your lock screen until you enter Customization mode. When you see the Customize option appear, tap on it. From there, select Lock Screen to start editing your lock screen features. Now, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll see the flashlight and camera icons. These are the default shortcuts. They've been there forever, and while they're useful, you might want to change them to something else. To remove either of these icons, simply tap the minus dash icon on the one you want to remove. Once you do that, you'll see an empty space where that button used to be. Tap on that empty space, and you'll be able to choose from a variety of new shortcuts or controls depending on what you want quick access to from your lock screen. Once you're happy with your changes, tap Done to save the new settings. And that's it. Now you have a completely customized lock screen with shortcuts that better suit your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips from Foxtecc. See you later.